How to process invoices and orders. This is how we did it. Companies that work with OCR software for invoice and order processing know that it takes too long and doesn't work well enough. It is actually an outdated method. The OCR you deal with today has too many disadvantages. OCR is not language independent, not 100% reliable, too slow, not self-learning, and OCR is not easy to use. But don't worry, you can now easily switch to the most intelligent CIM robot powered by the Robotic Data Recognition or RDR technique. CIM Robot, RDR. This is how we do it today. CIM Robot brings intelligence to your invoice and order processing, greatly improving it in every way. CIM Robot is cloud-based within the client-protected CIM pipeline. This means that your data stream is 100% secure and can only be accessed by you. All documents received by email, invoices, order confirmations, and incoming orders are removed from your mailbox by a robotized process and then validated by CIM Robot at a detailed level. All values are clearly available in XML and UBL file formats on your CIM dashboard. Let me share with you the advantages of CIM Robot. CIM Robot is language independent, cloud-based, is very reliable, enormously fast, self-learning, very easy to use, and CIM Robot is 100% secure. Invoice and order processing has never been so simple and reliable. Switch to the most intelligent CIM robot today.